Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Sterilize X reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether Sterilize X is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you all that this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the amazing picture of Sterilize X device, and it is a UV based disinfection device designed to kill a wide array of germs, bacteria, viruses, small particles, etc. that are present in our surrounding spaces, including our workplaces, office, homes, etc. So guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your loved ones and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. Apart from that, I would like to inform you that this product is gaining popularity at a worldwide level and people are appreciating the work function of this device. So let's get started with the specifications of this product. So guys, talking about the specifications of this product, here you can read the entire specifications including power watt, voltage, battery size and plug type. The plug type is USB guys, and the size is 14.1 into 6.2 into 5.2 centimeter. It supports the battery of 700 mAh and voltage of 2.5 watt, and it supports voltage of 3.7 voltage. So this is the specification of this device. And guys, apart from that, I would like to tell the extraordinary features of this device. So it is extremely effective and it can kill up to 99% of all surface bacteria. Apart from that, it comes with a rechargeable battery system. Each unit has a 700 mAh battery that is enough to enable continuous operations for a couple of hours. Apart from that guys, this is portable and it comes in an accurate size or design, and you can carry it around or you can carry it in your handbag, luggage, etc. And the components of this device are made of high quality materials. So guys, when it comes to the how it works, you need to order this device and plug it in using a universal USB cable and leave the device for 30 minutes. Return to the room and enjoy refreshingly crisp air. So this is all you need to do. Now apart from that, talking about the pros of Sterilize X device, guys, it does not contain any harmful chemicals or synthetically produced derivatives. And apart from that, it supports ozone power. The ozone rays provides highly effective cleansing effect. And yes, Sterilize X can be used for extended periods without any worry, as it is convenient or effective. So these are the pros of this device. And guys, talking about Sterilize X reviews, we have found mixed reviews about this product on the internet, and here you can also read some customer reviews. One of the customers said they are real and legit, and their products are nice and quality, highly recommendable. And guys, I have found 3.8 rating on Trustpilot and 3.5 out of 5 on Facebook. This product has social media existence as well, which is a positive sign. And one of the customers wrote, I'm quite surprised by this product, that how good this thing is. Probably one of the best germs and bacteria disinfection killing lamps out there. This thing works like a charm. Great innovative product, worth every penny. I would like to recommend this product definitely. So these were the positive comments by the verified users or customers, and their social media existence makes the product quite legit. And apart from that guys, when you click the order now option, you will find that the company is offering 50% discount on this innovative device. So grab this opportunity, hurry up. And yes, you can make a wise decision by exploring the information as well. And I request you all to share your experience with this product. If you have any problem with your money, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you.